The US's top infectious disease expert has warned of irreparable damage to the country if lockdowns are extended. Dr. Anthony Fauci says it will have unintended consequences for the health of Americans as the US president pushes for places of worship to reopen.
I don't want people to think that any of us feel that staying locked down for a prolonged period of time is the way to go.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says it's time to take a serious look at reopening the economy in areas of the country where cases allow.
We can't stay locked down for such a considerable period of time that you might do irreparable damage.
It comes as Dr. Deborah Birx says there's been a dramatic decline in deaths, hospitalizations, and testing positivity rates across the states. But she says positive cases have either stalled or increased in Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and Minneapolis.
So we can see now that there's over a 50% decline in new hospitalizations.
President Trump is now making a big push to reopen houses of worship by deeming them essential.
The governors need to do the right thing and allow these very important essential places of faith to open right now for this weekend. If they don't do it, I will override the governors.
The CDC released new guidelines specific to faith-based communities. That includes, when possible, having services outdoors, photocopying or using electronic copies of hymnals, religious texts, and bulletins, and receiving donations electronically.
And I think any encouragement, at the federal, state, or local level to open churches before it's safe for everyone is just going to lead to more infections and, unfortunately, more death.
Under the three-phase federal reopening guidelines, churches and houses of worship are allowed to open in Phase 1 using strict social distancing measures.